Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon with VincentMagicalVacations.com, your source for all theme park travel planning. We have over 100 agents established all over the United States to help you plan your magical vacation. And we are here back at Walt Disney World today because we are bringing you another full resort and room tour. We are here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, one of my favorite resorts on property. So what are we waiting for? Let's get inside and start off this room tour. Easy. I wasn't expecting to like check in already because it's only 9 a.m. but she was like, oh here, let me just get you in an open room. So that works. We've got our room already, but we're still gonna finish filming the resort tour. So we're gonna talk to you about the lobby, bus transportation, gift shop, pool, dining, everything that's here, and then we'll finish off with our room tour. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and finish filming. Oh, that sucks. Filming the lobby. He dropped his luggage. So here in the lobby of the Wilderness Lodge Resort, you're going to be able to find a few things. You're going to have your bell services and concierge. They are going to be able to help you finalize any of those Disney details that you need to. You of course have your check-in desk where they have plenty of cast members available to help you check into your wonderful room here at this resort. You have a great, huge, giant central lobby area. Again, this resort is built basically as a model of the Yellowstone Lodge, so it's really cool. It's very open. You see all the timber logs, you see these huge totem poles, you have a beautiful fireplace, plenty of places to sit and relax. You even have a little bridge where you can walk over like a little geyser about to go off, which speaking of, this resort does have a geyser too. We're gonna go have to check it out. And then you also have Whispering Canyon Cafe. Now this is a great dining restaurant here at Disney World. You do need dining reservations to dine here. They serve breakfast and dinner, maybe lunch. I'll double check on that. But they serve it family style and it is delicious. It's fun. It's full of laughs. It's a great time. So come with your sense of humor if you go to Whispering Canyon Cafe. Again, this lobby is beautiful. It is a little hectic this morning because the characters just came out, which is such a magical touch. Like I said, you have to stay on Walt Disney World property in one of their resorts like the Wilderness Lodge for this to happen. Pluto's doing a parade around the lobby right now. That's what goes on when you stay on Disney World property. So now let's go check out more of this resort because it is huge. We're gonna take you right now to the gift shop of Wilderness Lodge right off the main lobby. So let's go check it out. This is so cute. I love the Wilderness Lodge merch and I've been wanting this for a long time. I just love the wood look of it. So cute. This is one of the many benefits you get by staying on Disney property. We're just here in the lobby and look, we've got Donald and Goofy hanging out with us. This is so cool. And guess what? I didn't have to stand in a 50-minute line to meet them in the parks. They're just out here hanging out. Look at how cute. I love your hat. Oh, your 100th anniversary costume. Wow, look at Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm blushing. I can't wait to see your Halloween costume tonight. Yeah, going to the party. You're gonna be all snazzy.
Oh no.
So a Disney photographer just came around and gave me this little pass here. So apparently during my interaction with Goofy, he was taking a bunch of photos of me. So this is another great reason to add the memory maker onto your vacation package because you're gonna be able to download all of these photos straight to your phone and have all of these memories. So be sure to talk to your Vincent Vacations travel agent and we will add the memory maker onto your Disney vacation package. It is $169 to add on before you travel, but if you wait too late, you're gonna have to pay more when you get to Disney World for it. We found the arcade. Okay, so really quick, I want to just show you all the map just because we're going to kind of be doing a lot of walking. This resort is pretty big. So we were in the lobby. We walked over here. We're by the arcade area. This is where you are going to get on any buses to the theme parks. And we're going to kind of walk this way, show you the pools, show you everything in the middle here. And yeah, that's just kind of our game plan for now, just so you all can see this wonderful resort. Let's go. Okay, so let's look at our sign right here. We've got Boulder Ridge Villas up ahead. Those are for Disney Vacation Club members, but you can rent those out too, just it's a lot. Health Club, we have bike and boat rental, Cascade cabins. They have cabins here that you can rent out, which is super cool. And then bus transportation. Like I said, guys, this resort is huge. Both the Boulder Ridge Villas and the Cascade cabins, the Copper Creek Villas, those are part of the Disney Vacation Club. That's a separate membership, but you still can buy those rooms for your vacation, and they come with like a washer and dryer and things like that as well. So it's an option, or you can just book the regular deluxe standard rooms, which is what I usually do. Alright, I want to go check out the Boulder Ridge pool because I don't know that I've ever seen that before or not. I've definitely seen the main pool here, but let's go check that out. I was going to say, oh man, you have to have a key to get in, and I forgot we're staying here. Oh, this is quiet and nice. I love it. Okay, let's leave out of that door because we're going to go show you Geyser Point Bar and Grill. Seriously, one of the best lounges here at Disney World. I love it. They have this moonshine drink that's really good. So Wilderness Lodge is right in front of Bay Lake, which I love. It sits right on the edge of Bay Lake. It is absolutely stunning. From here you can have boat transportation over to Magic Kingdom, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, it really truly feels like you're in the middle of the wilderness, and then you just take a boat to Magic Kingdom, and yeah, it's crazy. So right over here is going to be Geyser Point Bar and Grill. Delicious drinks, appetizers, light fare for lunch and dinner time. So excellent, excellent. If you are here, you have to just sit here and relax on one of your days you're here. So let's go over there, check it out, and we'll keep going. It is so hot. Oh, over here is going to be your boat and bike rental station as well. Okay, so leaving Geyser Point Bar and Grill, we're gonna head back towards like the main center of the resort and show you the main pool area, which is really cute. And then look at this cute little creek. I love it. This resort truly makes you feel like you are in the great outdoors. I love it. I mean, just look, it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, cool, that's going off right now too. All right, let's go show you the main pool. All right, here looks like it's where they do their fires every night, where you can roast some marshmallows, make some s'mores. Pretty cool. I like it. I love how much this resort is so protective of the natural environment. There was a sign over there too that says like, don't feed the wildlife, don't touch them, don't look at them. No, I'm just kidding, you can look at them, but basically leave everything as it should be. Stay on the paths, which again is what you're supposed to do whenever you're in nature anyway. So right behind me is going to be Wilderness Lodge's main pool area, where you can have tons of fun. This water looks so good right now. It makes me wish I would have packed my swimsuit, but I live like 8 minutes away, so I can go get it if I want. But I love that a lot of the Disney resorts now have like splash zone areas for the younger kids to play. Super fun. All moderate and deluxe resorts at Walt Disney World are also going to have a water slide, which is so much fun and so needed for the kids. They are just going to burn so much energy in the pools here at Disney. Highly recommend taking a rest day or even taking a few hours in the middle of the day as a break and spending some time at your Walt Disney World Resort pool, because they truly do them so well. So let's go and just enjoy the pool for a little bit. We'll show you guys some clips of it, and then we will continue doing our resort tour. Into my eyes, and it got my skincare in my eyes, and now I can't stop crying. So if I'm crying the rest of this tour, you know why. so welcome to Artist Point. This is another restaurant here at Wilderness Lodge. This restaurant is one that you are going to want to put on your Walt Disney World bucket list, especially if you are a Snow White fan. Here you can dine among Snow White, the Evil Queen, and the Seven Dwarfs. It's one of the only places on Disney World property anywhere that you can dine with them. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make our way back through the lobby, and we're going to go check out our room now. So I'm excited to put all this stuff down because I've been carrying it since the start of the resort tour, but that's fine. This view from up here is absolutely stunning. You can oversee the entire lobby, so I can people watch it. Look at it. You can see the fireplace, all the beautiful totem poles. Oh, it's so gorgeous. If it wasn't so hot, I would go out there and show you guys the view, but I'm just now finally starting to cool off. So that's cool though. Every level seems to have its own little viewing platform to both the lobby and outside. Love it. Paleozoic fossils of the Grand Canyon. That's so cool. Oh, a trilobite.
I think this is it.
Hey, I'm Shannon with Vincent Magical Vacations. Welcome to my crib. Come on in. Alright, welcome inside the beautiful rooms here at Wilderness Lodge. I am obsessed. I just took like 5-10 minutes and took photos and videos on my phone of the room, and it's beautiful. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorite rooms now on Disney World property. It's gorgeous. So we have a large closet right here when you walk in. Plenty of hangers. You've got a luggage storage rack, extra blankets, extra pillows. In here, you have a safe. You have a steamer and just some more storage area. And then we also have, of course, a coffee area, ice bucket, plenty of coffee, tea, sugars, glasses for you to use. And then you do have a mini fridge, which is great. I do want to make note that pretty much no Disney World Resort hotels, with the exception of Disney Vacation Club rooms, are going to have a microwave. So if you want a microwave, you just need to request that with your Vincent Magical Vacations travel agent. They can call into Disney and request. They are not going to be guaranteed to have a microwave in your room. Now, if they aren't able to fulfill your request, they do have a microwave down in the food court area, or the Roaring Fork that we showed you earlier. So let's move on to the gorgeous bathroom. I love the outdoor theme in here. Just look at this window. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this window, and you can see it on the other side too. So you have a double sink vanity, perfect for 2 people to be getting ready in the morning. You have Disney H2O products. So you have lotion, face soap, plenty of tissues, washcloths, towels, etc. for you to use. They do have some plugs, so you can also get ready. Now, if we flip around, we have the separate area here with the toilet and shower that you can close off. One of my absolute favorite features of Disney World hotels is the split bathroom design, so your entire family can be getting ready at one time, because we know you're going to have a very busy park day. So beautiful walk-in shower, or not walk-in shower, glass shower, excuse me, with a tub so you can wash the little ones if you have any little ones with you. Again, those H2O products, rainfall shower or not, depending on how you want to use it. You have a toilet, of course, plenty of towels. All right, so welcome to the room area here inside our room. Okay, so your room is going to come equipped with 2 beds, which is you okay back there? Can we get this done? Take 3, action. This room is equipped with 2 beds, so it can sleep up to 4 adults, or 2 kids, 2 adults, 3 adults, 1 child, however you guys want to do it. 4 people can sleep in this room. Now, you do also have a nice little sitting area with 2 chairs, which is really nice. We have a gorgeous, gorgeous balcony area. Here, we actually got a firework view room. Now, we're not going to be able to take advantage of that because we are going to the Halloween party tonight anyway, but I can see the Magic Kingdom castle from my balcony, which is so, so cool. I am obsessed with these rooms, y'all. I love the little mirror here too. So cute. It just looks so woodsy and outdoorsy. Beautiful large TV, plenty and plenty of dresser space. Let's go check out over here. We have USB plugs, USB-C plugs, regular plugs, a phone, a TV remote. You've got another drawer here, your Bible in there should you want to read that at night. we've got everything. This room is spectacular. I love this room. I love the location of Wilderness Lodge. I love the theming. I love everything about this resort. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching our full resort and room tour here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Absolutely love this resort. And when you are ready to plan your theme park vacation, whether that's Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, be sure to head to vincentmagicalvacations.com, and one of our agents across the United States will be happy to help you plan your magical stay. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe because we post a ton of travel content that you do not want to miss out on. Until next time, guys, see ya!